So this is just a little video on, so it's not so much on how to use, or a tutorial on how to use Autoglym black dye. It's just showing the results of what can be achieved. So this is not a customer's car, this is my van, and yes, I know it needs a clean, it's pretty bad, but obviously it's the black dyes for fabric. I only tend to use it on mats, like mats that are quite worn, where I can use it. Obviously it's got to be dark coloured mats. If you do it on light coloured mats, obviously it's going to dye it the colour of the dye, which is black. And obviously it's got to be clean, matte and not wet, so I tend to use it on floor mats and carpets where I can. So as you can see, that's there. I'm going to put some of the dye on, give it a shake. There you go, it's just a light covering. Now if you use this and you get it on any interior plastics, you can use your Autoglym tar and glue remover. So I'm going to put some, which I've got here, just put some on a microfiber, because I think I just got some on here, so that will, I'll show you the difference, that you can see the dye coming off. So that's just sort of showing you, if you ever do use it and you get it on any vehicle interior plastics, you can use that to take it off. Now here is, remove this, I'll show you the before and after result. I can get me a bit of cardboard out of the way. So there you go, it makes a massive difference. Obviously I didn't overly clean this floor mat, but you know, the floor mat's been properly cleaned, and it's got to be sort of dust free, where this mat isn't really, but yeah, you've got to try and get out as much as you can. Obviously give it a really good hoover, because the cleaner the mat, the better it will stick, and the longer lasting it will be. You know, if you put in the dye on top of, you know, sort of dust, it's not going to adhere very well. But that is the difference in the results that you can achieve. There we go. If this video has been any help to you, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Please consider subscribing. Hope you all have a good day. Thank you.